Okay, so I am now able to add posts also. Let me do something. Okay, so add it. Okay, I am posting it. So post is also done. Let's go on the home section and let's see what are the changes we have done. You can see 1 minute ago I have made this post. So a care emoji. Okay, and okay, so we have done added some posts also. Let's see now these settings. Okay, the group setting. I've already shown you how to follow groups and all. Let's make a new group. Okay, what should I make changes? Yeah, group name. What will be the name of my group? So group name will be useless group. Yeah, this is a useless group. I will not do anything in that group. Make it a private. Okay, so I don't want people to see it. Okay, so private group can't be changed to public to protect the privacy. Okay, good. So hide group. I want to hide it. So now no one can see this group in Facebook. This will be only shown to me. Invite friends. No, I don't have any friends. Suggestions is also empty. So create it. Okay, there is a section of this mobile. Oh, okay. So this has gone. Okay, leave it. So you can see you have created your own sec group. Okay, this is a useless group, right? There is no post and all. Okay, so you can invite your friends here. You can join here. You have already joined because this is your group. Okay, let me see what things I can show you here. Admin assist. Okay, so how does it work? Save time, protect your group. Don't waste our time here. We have a limited time to learn other things also. So let's get into the group. Where is my, okay, let's get back to group. Where's my group? Okay, so I don't know how to access that group. I made that also private. Can I see this my group from here? Friends, no friends. uh, Groups, yes, this is groups. There is the group that I have joined, but there is no group of mine. What should I do? I have also made this. Yeah, here this is my group, useless group. Members, there are no members. There is no media. Should I add media here? Let's add some media. I'll add this photo here. Okay, so this is taking a little bit of time. Let's refresh it. Yeah, we have this picture now. Should I add something more? No, don't add it more. This is good.